Space rocks can destroy life on our planet, but there are ways to prevent such destruction. In today's episode of Cosmic Thursdays, SciTech Vault presents a short story titled Asteroid Over Germany. It was mid-January. People across Berlin, Germany, were busy working, completely unaware of a space rock approaching the city of nearly 4.5 million people. Meanwhile, a Hungarian researcher, not known to many in Berlin, was busy watching the cosmos from Budapest's Konkoly Observatory, looking for signs of any approaching and hazardous asteroids. He had previously discovered a large number of minor planets and supernovae. Supernovae are defined as the explosions that occur when a star is nearing the end of its life cycle. Minor planets, on the other hand, are cosmic objects orbiting the Sun that are neither planets nor comets. Quite interestingly, many asteroids, including those in the asteroid belt between Jupiter and Mars, are classified as minor planets. These asteroids, or minor planets, vary considerably in size. Their diameters range from just a few centimeters to several hundred kilometers. These space rocks are remnants from the early formation of the solar system. The space researcher from the Hungarian Observatory had discovered asteroid 2024 BX1 barely 3 hours before it exploded over Germany. He, along with other space researchers, helped NASA identify the precise trajectory of the asteroid. 70 minutes after the initial sighting of 2024 BX1, NASA's hazard assessment system predicted an impact probability of 100%. In other words, the approaching meter-sized space rock was destined to cross paths with our planet and either crash on Earth or explode in its atmosphere. Armed with this information, NASA began running calculations to identify the exact location and time of the impact or atmospheric explosion. The asteroid 2024 BX1 finally exploded in the Earth's atmosphere directly above a land-based German territory that is approximately 60 kilometers west of Berlin. This dramatic explosion was caught on camera by several space enthusiasts across Germany. Some even scouted the area for possible remnants of the atmospheric explosion. However, it's important to note that not all space rocks are completely destroyed after entering our planet's atmosphere. Some survive the entry and crash on land. If a space rock crashing on land is significantly large, it can cause catastrophic damage to life on our planet. To mitigate such potential hazards, NASA has launched a space program specifically to monitor near-Earth hazardous space rocks. The aim of this program is to determine the trajectories and assess the likely hazards of these intruding visitors from space. Additionally, NASA has the capability to intercept and divert some of these cosmic trespassers. Founded in 1871, Hungary's Konkoly Observatory survived World War II. It is the largest space research observatory in Hungary. Based on multiple true stories,